Hi guys, I got this boyfriend in a box from Boxy and Co. And basically, these are care packages for when Aunt Flo comes visiting, and Boxy and Co are offering two boxes, two types of boxes. One is the Wildest Dreams, with the one which I got, and the other one is Mini Wonderland. It's a tinier version of Wildest Dreams. So yeah, I nearly opened it yesterday in anticipation, but then I stopped myself thinking कि okay, मुझे अभी खोलना भी है and देखना भी है. So okay, enough talk. This is unboxing of boyfriend in a box. All right, okay. So yeah, I went this far. So this is thank you for subscribing to Boxy and Co. Hoping to provide you with the best in future. Much love, team Boxy and Co. Okay, this is a lovely cute little box. Okay, anyway, let's open this. A lot of things that I can see. Okay, this is a thing. Okay. Alright, what do I see? Okay, so this is Saeed Ghani's rose water. What else do we have? Oh, what are, okay, these look like, okay, these are socks. Cute socks with bees. Bees are happy bees. Okay, a couple of ponies. Ooh, nail polish. Wow, nice. Okay. Okay, I love false eyelashes, so yay. Okay. Green teas, coffee, and a Panadol. Nice. The ultimate comfort food. Okay, what's next? Okay, here is a makeup brush. Oh, look, lights, berry lights in red to signify Aunt Flo's visit. This is so cool. This is actually cute. Okay, what is here? Ooh, comfort food. You got Oreos, couple of bubble your names. बचपन में खाते थे, remember? Do you guys remember? I never found an Aisha though. I always found Imran's, which is kind of weird considering कि मेरे husband का नाम इमरान है. Okay, so candies. Choco eggs. Ooh, Nutella. Okay, we've got Nutella. Things. Cosmetic sharpener. See this, we can see the cosmetic sharpener. On Flow Essentials. What else? Oh, nice. Okay, I'm kind of looking forward to this. So what is this? Okay, this is by Mint. It's a Mint Beauty. Okay, so I've got foot massage, eyebrows, and upper lip threading. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is a voucher for that. What else is there? To make you feel nice and clean. Okay, more comfort food. Oh, okay, this is a heating pad. All right, okay. And oh, look, a movie, La La Land movie. I'm going to watch this with my this yellow gelatin nose mask cream thing on while eating marshmallows. How about that? I'm actually looking forward to my period now. I don't think many people can say that, but okay. The last thing I have got is a it's a coloring book. Yeah, so color the pain away. And okay, there's one more thing. A pair of cool tweezers. So there's like, be happy, be comfortable, be pretty. So yeah, this is what it is. So yeah guys, you can see all of that. There's a lot of stuff. So good job, Boxy & Co. Boxy & Co, right? I hope I'm saying that right. Yeah, it is Boxy & Co. Okay, so I was right. So yeah, a lot of stuff. Perfect. This is like a perfect gift, a pick-me-up for someone. It could be for yourself actually. Honestly, this is for me, but I'm thinking I should get my sister-in-law and my other sister-in-law. I don't know how you say Devrani English, but I'm thinking that I should get them this box, because this is literally the ultimate comfort box, the ultimate pick-me-up for when your period hits. And I know how the first 2 days can be. They can be horrible, and this is more than enough to carry you through those 2-3 days. So yeah, thank you so much for the boyfriend in the box, Boxy & Co. You guys are doing an amazing job, and I love this stuff. And thank you. Bye bye. Take care, you guys. I will be doing another subscription box next month. So it'll be from Glowy Box. So it's a makeup cosmetic thing. So stay tuned and keep watching the space. Bye.